Good evening guys, today is the 21st of July. I just want to go through the analysis on gold and see what potentially price can do in this week, potentially 2 weeks. And so yes, on the weekly time frame, as we see, we are in the consolidation. We just took out this last all-time high and we reject that and we come back again on the range of the consolidation. So we can see we move forwards to the daily. Over here I think we're gonna see these relatively equal lows this week. We do have a kind of busy week on news. As we can see, it's quite frenetic this week. I think the price action will be good, so we might gonna see these lows down here on this time frame. On the daily, we back up to the 50% range, and on this 50% range there is this order block that I'm looking at, and I think we can have a short move up to balance those range of these sell orders. It's like straight down, so it's gonna be like a range, this one. And usually on Monday, Tuesday, as I was watching, there is like they do the high or the low of the week. So with that in mind, over here we see this range up here, and on 50%, at the 50% of the range, it end up with this fair value gap. But the problem with this fair value gap, that is below the 50% range. Doesn't mean that it's gonna touch it and could go down, or touch this 50% and go down potentially. This is what I would like to see the price go to. I prefer this one that over here on the 50%. But even if it's in the 50%, this is this kind of like breakout structure to the down. This is nice to start to see lows or short setups. Before to go there, if we go to the week, on this area over here, let me remove all this 1 second. Over here we do have this week. So in this week I would like to see the price go around that and support as a fair value gap 50%, and keep pushing lower to these relatively equal lows and go into this fair value gap up here. But might take weeks to go down there. At this moment, like tomorrow, I think we can push higher, like a short-term higher, down up to these 50% of the week, which one is as well a fair value gap over here of like daily fair value gap. And as if we go a little bit forward on the 1 hour, over here we just swap liquidity up here, attach and swap this. If we see up here on the left, on the middle of the screen, we see low 395.7 and the low here 396.2. so it's just like swap this sell side down here. So we might have a little rejection, and I would like to see this price come back at this area over here. But yes, we'll see. It depends. Tomorrow it might keep crashing, I don't know. But if it give me like a nice breakout structure here and move higher with like explosion, in that case I will see like a setup, if we can find a setup in a shorter time frame, to targeting this area over here, to then like later week, Thursday and Friday, I want to see like melting through. But I don't know, we'll see. It might push higher. It's too early to talk about that. I want to see this price get to this point at least. That's what I would like to see. We'll see what the price is gonna do. So these are the analysis for this week we would like to see, and I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next